Now that you understand what ransomware is and how a ransomware attack works, let's talk about how to reduce the risk of an attack and lessen the impact if one does happen. While there's no magic shield that guarantees you or your organization will never be targeted by ransomware, there are ways to reduce your risk. As discussed earlier in this series, ransomware attacks happen in stages. First, attackers gain access. Then they move through systems, locate valuable data, and eventually deploy ransomware. But because attacks unfold over time, there are opportunities to defend against them at each stage. When layered together, these strategies can help prevent attacks from succeeding even if one layer fails. 60% of breaches involve the human element, which is why the human firewall is an important layer of protection, helping reduce the chances of ransomware getting in. That means following cybersecurity best practices, such as treating unexpected emails with caution and using the SLAM method to examine the sender, links, attachments, and message itself. Using strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, and keeping devices updated can also make attacks less likely to succeed. But prevention is only half the battle, and attackers can sometimes still find a way through. Even if you do everything right, ransomware may enter through a colleague's compromised account or device and spread to other systems, meaning it can quickly become your problem too. So stay alert. If you notice anything unusual, such as you or a coworker suddenly being unable to access shared drives, unexpected password reset emails, or strange pop-ups appearing on multiple devices, report it right away. The earlier a potential threat is identified, the more likely it can be contained before becoming a larger incident. If an attack does occur, reducing the damage is key. Regular backups can help restore your files even if they become encrypted. Additionally, organizations should be prepared with incident response plans, strong access controls, and ongoing monitoring. Combining technical safeguards with everyday security habits can make you and your organization a much more difficult target for ransomware. But the goal isn't just to stop ransomware, it's also to ensure you and your organization can recover quickly and continue operating if an attack does occur. Next time we'll cover what to do if ransomware strikes and how a quick and effective response can limit the damage.